Hi, welcome back to Basement Backgammon. On this episode, we're going to be talking about Bill Robertie's 501 Essential Backgammon Problems. This is problem number 3, how to play an opening 6-4. The board that we are on is a 1930s vintage era Arthur Popper board with racing stripes. This board, there were actually pictures of movie stars playing on this board somewhere online. Albert Stegg's website on the New England Backgammon Club has it. Somewhere. I really like this board. It's a beautiful vintage travel board. It's in great condition. It has black and yellow tinged. Here, I'll show you that. There you go. Black and yellow Catalan checkers and red Catalan checkers. All original to the board, all in beautiful shape, including the original Arthur Popper multicolor cube that came with it, and the original dice in red and white. This is now an off-white because of aging and patina. So anyway, we are playing a 6-4. Black is to play 6-4 here. I'm going to pause for 10 seconds while you think about how is the best way to play 6-4. If you've seen the video previously, problem 2, then it should give you a hint on how to play 6-4 here. I'll give you 10 seconds. Okay, and we are back. So, opening roll, money game, black to play 6-4. Robertie says, not surprisingly, 24-18 and 13-9 is the best way to play 6-4. This is what Robertie says. Black should play 24-18 with the 6 and 13-9 with the 4. Splitting to the 18 point is a powerful maneuver which starts a good anchor while constricting white's choices. In this case, red is the white that he's talking about. Restricting red's choices. 13-9 creates an excellent builder for new inner board points. So he has a point, right? So anything 5-3, for instance, 5-3 is, I'm sorry, excuse, did I say 5-3? 5-4 is over here. 4-3 makes this point. You could also make points in conjunction with this, like 6-3 will make this point over here. And then you could use this point to make, I took it from this, I meant to take it from this. 6-3 makes this point. 6-2 doesn't make a point, I'm sorry. 6-3, 5-2, and 4-1 all make points here inside as well as 2-1 will make the bar point. So a lot of great things can happen here. We will go to XG now, and we'll see what XG says about this particular play. Okay, and we're back with analyzing problem number 3. This is opening roll 6-4. In this case, black is the color to move first, and we are here in XG. We're set up for money play. Let's see what XG says. Sure enough, Robertie's correct. 24-18 and 13-9 is the way to play 6-4 for the reasons we had discussed. Now, let's switch to match play. This is match play for 11 points. 11 points where the score is 0-0, 11 away, 11 away. And look, very, very different. In match play, XG is asking for 8-2-6-2 to make the 2 point. Not 100% sure why. I'm sure there must be loads and loads of documents and websites that talk about the reason for this, but it's different than cash play. Now, let's change the score to 9. The match length of 9 scores 0-0. Same thing. Let's go make it smaller, match length of 5. And it looks like in matches, pretty much no matter what the score is, making the 2 point seems to be the way to go. I'm sure it's for gammoning possibilities. The gammon means more in matches than it does in cash games, I guess, which I guess makes a little bit of sense. So I'm going to change it so it's a 5-point match and it's 4-0 Crawford. And look at that. When it is 4-0, so right now white is 1 away, black is 5 away in a 5-point match. 6-4, XG says you have to run. 24 to 19. 24 to 14. So it's interesting how the changing the parameters changes what the appropriate play is for the opening roll. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and we will be back with problem number 4 in one day. See you tomorrow.